Good morning, and thank you for tuning into Virtual Story Time with the National Railroad Museum. I'm your host, Engineer Alyssa. If you're watching this live on Facebook, please comment below and let us know that you're here and share it with your friends. We also invite you to like our page and to follow us so you can see all of the new things happening at the museum. The National Railroad Museum is a nonprofit organization supported by public and private donations and by our members. For more information about supporting the museum and becoming a member, please visit our website. This morning, our book is Shark versus Train. Two completely different things, and we'll talk a little bit about this after. So we're going to get started right away with our book. So, Shark versus Train. Who will win? Well, that depends on if they're in the ocean. And the shark asks, how is that furnace running? Because trains aren't supposed to go underwater. Or on railroad tracks. Can we make it 2 out of 3, the shark says? Or if they're on a seesaw. Trains are a lot heavier than sharks. Or in hot air balloons. He has a loose caboose. Or if they're roasting marshmallows. Eating pies, the train says that he could go for some coal. Or having a burping contest. It depends on whether they're bowling. That's a strike, right? And that's why sharks have a bad reputation. Or they're shooting baskets. Train can reach right up to the top of the basket with all of his cars. Or going off of the high dive. Oops, sorry about that. All the way down. They could be running lemonade stands with tank cars full of lemonade, or running lemonade stands under the water. Which one is a little better? Or they could be trick-or-treating. For a shark, he's very hungry for some candy. Or giving rides at the carnival. It's kind of like a roller coaster ride with the train. It can depend on who gets the first pick, who names the game, and who deals the cards. But who wins if they are playing hide and seek or trying not to get shushed because they're in a library on the second page. So you could see the steam in the closet for hide and seek, and then a train would be very loud in a library. Or performing a piano recital, or playing extreme zombie squirrel motocross. Having kind of trouble playing the video games with no thumbs. They could be exploring distant galaxies, or sword fighting on a tightrope. The train wishes that he was either on tracks or at the depot. Oh, I'm so sorry. Or this. This is getting a little ridiculous. Both jumping through the air. Boys, it's lunch. So the whole time, these are just two toys with two little boys playing against each other. End of the line. Oops. There you go. So, for our book, who do you think would win, a shark versus a train? Since this book kind of had toys in it, do you have a favorite toy? When you were little, I had these little toy farm animals that I played with all the time, and horses in a mini stable, or sometimes I played Legos, or with these dinosaurs with my little brother. So that's what I would do. Down below, I will post a link to our craft today and also on our blog page on our website in the activity zone, where you can find all of my past story times and all the crafts and other things to do. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. I will be back all week at 10 a.m. and all my story times are also on YouTube. It's pretty exciting. I hope to see you guys tomorrow at 10. Bye!